Alright guys, what do I have here? I got the Wyze Camera day, so let's take a look at this. I've been wanting to get this Wyze Camera, so I heard a lot of good stuff about this. Oh wow, this is so small. And my intention to use this in front of the house. I want to basically see my package even though I'm not at home, so I think this is the best solution for that, so I can point it down to my front door and so I can see my packages when they arrive. So alright, let's take a look at this. And by the way, I got this one from Amazon and it was on a lightning deal, which is only $22 plus, it's already tax included, $22, and then of course Amazon Prime pre-shipping. And this is the Wyze Cam version 2. Oh wow, actually I only see this one on YouTube when I do some search about this, and actually it is really small guys, and the actual, it's really small. So let me open this again, and so we can see it. So we can see it closely. Alright, actually yeah, it's pretty small. Alright, that's the USB micro USB port for power, and USB flash drive, or USB type A port. Alright, so yeah, I'm impressed with my first impression, and this is really nice. It's small. Let's see what else we have here. Got the user's guide, and yeah guys, for 25, the regular price for this one is 25. For 25 you have like a security camera, like home camera already. So like a budget security camera for your home. Alright, so it looks like it comes with the silica. It's kinda tight. Alright, so the power adapter, and the Wyze mounting, I think it's a mounting plate. You can mount it on the wall and then magnetize magnets. Okay, and yeah, okay, and then the adhesive double-sided tape, if you want to either you screw it or you stick it onto a wall. And of course the USB for power. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you the footage.